Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this fantastic thing. Here with me I've got the Shirogorov Custom Division Quantum Bronze for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like this video and maybe don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like this stuff that I'm bringing to you. So, I mean, there's nothing to maintain in this guy. I already did it because it's such, look at this. I mean, it's already fantastic. But I'm shooting this video because I want to show you what is about. I mean, this is... Guys, I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I'm talking about, because this is the pinnacle of Shirogorov Custom Division craftsmanship, and you're gonna see it in a second. Inside, this thing is just stellar, and let's do this. So you're gonna need a couple of bits. So as you can see, this bit, which is the classic bit for I don't know, for example, like this guy over here. See, you're gonna have this bit, that's the Hati, by the way. For this guy, you need the smaller bit, which is this one. See, like that. And make sure you have that bit in place, because otherwise you're not going to be able to disassemble anything. And just start like from the handle screw, just unscrew that with some patience and just steady hand, and then just flip the knife and switch the bit, put the pivot bit, and boom, that is in, and gently unscrew the bit. Keep the knife pinched as you do this, very, very gently, and boom, and that is done. So hold the knife like that and just pinch it open like so. Just let it rest and gently, gently, really gently, just wiggle the handle like so. You see, it should start to move. Just take your time, don't rush anything. And because the tolerances here are pretty tight, I'm using like this hard plastic, you see, and just wedge a little bit underneath here just to move very, very gently the scale away. That is coming. Here you go. Very, very gently this guy comes out. So guys, look at this for a second. Look at this. I mean, how cool is this piece? Look at the lock. Beautiful, guys. Fantastic. See, there's one screw basically which is holding together this liner and the pocket clip. Just stellar. Indication of roller bearings right there. Look, I mean, it just the pockets, the milling is just insanity, guys. But let's just go ahead and clean this guy up, because yeah, this guy has been sold and it's going to a new home. But something interesting is coming in the house. I'm not telling you what. Just stay tuned. I'm just telling you, stay tuned, because something special is about to come. So just stay there. That is clean. Here we can just remove like the bearing like so. And then just doing this, just removing all the rollers that are just left on the inside like that. Remove the stop pin. There is another one that one just doesn't want to let go. Make sure you don't have anything, and then boom, just clean this guy up nicely. Look at the spacer, guys. This is serious business here. All right. So let's do this. Let's clean everything up. We're gonna take a little bit of rubbing alcohol here, and with these rollers, you know, I like just to do like a little bit of like little pull like that. And then just push all these rollers out like so, you see. Very good. And then so I have this guy just swimming in the alcohol, and these guys can just go out as well. So you just soak basically these cages in the alcohol like that, and then you take a microfiber cloth dry them out, and you let them sit right there, and these are done. Then I'm just gonna see, like, gather all these roller and have them like do a nice bath in the alcohol so that dissolves hopefully the grease. And then I'm just putting them to the side, and then just like that, just drying everything out like so. Make sure that you don't lose anything, and then just wiping this excess of alcohol away. And we're pretty much done, guys, so we can just go ahead and take our tweezers and grab a bunch of patients, because yeah, it's gonna take a bit to do, but let's do this. So let's just go ahead and start. How I do with this is, you see, like, I use two tweezers. One is just to hold this roller, and the other one is just to push it down into the pocket. And you can see like that, that is pretty, when these rollers decide to go inside, it's a pleasure. It's just fantastic. It's a nice feeling. You see, when you do like that, boom, it's beautiful. Let's see now. You see, fantastic. And then you can even catch the rhythm and just boom, 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 and just go. You see, like that. Very, very good. We're being lucky. So probably something is gonna happen now. No, look at that. They still go inside very, very nicely. Just be patient, guy. I'm just kidding here. You know, you don't need to rush or anything. Just take your time. Enjoy the oh, look at that. You see, enjoy the process. It's something like Zen. You see, like you just are increasing your level of patience, and that can be helpful, you know, in some occasions in your life. And when there's you know, the need to keep the composure, you think about these moments here when you have these tiny roller bearings that they don't want to go inside. You see, like in this case already twice, and third time should be a charm. Look at that. 10 weight nano oil, just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then just make sure that everything goes where it's supposed to be. And then we're gonna do stop pin. All right, in, and then we're gonna do blade like that. It's in, and then the second cage, I will do it here. And then I'll just do the same thing. So you take one at a time and then try to, you see, to align this thing right there. And that is one. And this thing goes right here. And that is done. And this guy over here. And this is not done, you see? This is just wants to jump out, and now it's in. And this guy is, no, it's not in. See, look at that. So just, wow, look at that. That was scary. That was projected pretty fast. So, I don't know what's going on now, guys. Hey, what's up? They are rebellious. Here you go. They are rebellious rollers here, right? Because I mean, the ball bearings are pretty straightforward to install. They're just balls, so there's no orientation. But these guys, I tried some orientation. Look at this. Look at this guy. It doesn't want. So this side, yeah, it doesn't want to cooperate. It's okay, you know. It's part of the training. It's a test. It's all a test, guys. So for your patience. So yeah, just enjoy. You can actually even, you know, this part here, probably it's the most tedious of the video. And then you can just look at this guy. Wow, very impressive. They don't want to go in on the first time. So you can just like fast forward all this procedure, because you know the drill. It's pretty boring probably looking at me doing this struggle. with these rollers, but look at this. Wow, that is crazy. What's going on, guys? Usually I'm not that bad. Kind of like a little bit more precise, but yeah, it's all right. Wow, look at this. Maybe I'm hungry. Maybe that's why. Yeah, it's kind of like a surgical operation, of course. Like to put these guys back, you need you need some precision and some probably steady hand. But you see, these guys are a little bit buggers. Yeah, they're not super easy, but it's not like super difficult to do. Sometimes just gonna take a little bit more of time, and yeah, sometimes it's gonna be quick. But we're almost done. We've got 2 left. Let's see if we can make it in a timely manner. And that is in. And this guy is also in. Okay. So I'm going to use some more of this 10 weight nano oil. So hoping to... There you go. Hoping to have these rollers in place. I'm just going to rotate a little bit so the oil is gonna go down. 85 weight nano oil on the, wow, that is a lot, on the detent ball, which we are gonna clean up a little bit because that was way too much. It's way too much, and that is pretty much it, guys. So this is centered and this guy goes in, right? Yeah, we're not forgetting anything. So this guy is in. And just push it down and close the blade partially. And then I'm just gonna do the oversized pivot, which is gorgeous, by the way. And so just keep this down so everything will be held in place. We're gonna tune it in a bit. This guy will go here. And then this is the handle screw that goes down like so. So that is done. All right, beautiful. Let's have the oil just go into the crevices. Let me see. Wow. Maybe I can do just a little bit less, something like that. I think this is gonna be exactly where we want a quantum to be. Guys, look at this for a second. Just look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Ooh, this is some crazy smoothness in the house, I'm telling you. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as I did. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.